Welcome back to Unique's Garden, y'all. Today we are going to do a hashtag WIG 2025 update for the avocado seeds that I did. So I have them here. I wrapped them up, had them in water for 24 hours, soaked them in water first, then I wrapped them in paper towels, and that was on December 4th. So let's check and see how our avocados are doing. We have one here, and this is the second time that I'm checking on them. I did check on them before, but I forgot to film it. So now I'm going to check on them this week, and you can see. So here's the avocado seed, what it looks like, and you can see that it's starting to crack right here. So we have progress. We just don't have roots yet. I'm gonna wrap it back up. And I like to wear gloves when I'm doing things with these type of seeds. So even though I wash my hands, I don't want any like bacteria or anything to get on my paper towel so that it won't get all moldy and stuff. Now, last time when I checked this one, it was doing really good. So maybe we have roots yet. We'll see. I think for this one, I'm gonna give it another paper towel. Do I have spray? Yeah, okay. Uh-oh. Okay. We have some good action on this one. So I don't know if y'all can see in there. This little tail starting to come out. It's gonna sprout soon. Yay! You see how much it's cracked? So that other one that we looked at first, it had just a little bitty crack in it, but this one has a big old crack because I'm pretty sure it's gonna be ready to sprout. And when it does, I will. Hopefully, I'll remember to record it so I can walk y'all through. Oh, it's so cute. So I can walk out through, show you how I put it in soil. Because for avocado seeds, like you kind of don't bury it all the way. So I'll show y'all that when the time comes. But looks like it's almost time. So with this, I'm going to go ahead and give it another paper towel. I have my paper towels here. Our little spray bottle has just like a little bit of fertilized water in there, and so I'm gonna spray it. And it's one of those cool ones that like keep spraying. So get the towel wet around this, and then I'm gonna wrap it back up. But it shouldn't be too much longer before this one fully sprouts and we'll be able to plant it. Let me give it another good little wet in there. So try to get as much air out of here as possible. But as I mentioned in the first video, didn't plant them. When I first put the hashtag WIG 2025 ones, these I store them in a warm location, and that is under my stove in the warming tray down there. So I'm gonna set them in there, let them stay in there, and I'll let you see what it looks like in the next update that I do for these. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, y'all.